Hi, everyone. I'm Aurora Luna Star, and I am so excited to be offering a workshop at the channel panel. We are in a very exciting time on the planet. And while we are navigating a lot of changes and a lot of upheaval, there is the beautiful human heart that we are here to persevere, to enact change, to be the change, and to really embody what it means to be a divine being, a soul having the human experience. And one of my favorite ways to share information about how we can do healing and how we can find our center and how we can be navigating all the change that we're experiencing is using sound healing and light language. Sound is profound. That's my favorite little tagline because we are mostly water. And so, how we navigate healing with sound is really an amazing process. The singing bowls made out of crystals have this powerful impact on us. And then, of course, our own voice has an impact on us, as well as our light language. And I know a lot of you may be curious about light language, might have an awareness of what it is, might not have an awareness of what it is, might want to connect with it, might be curious, might be afraid of it, whatever your energy is around light language. I can't wait to dive deep with you at this beautiful, amazing event, the channel panel. Please join us, come and see all of the magic that's going to take place. Some really profound speakers from really from the beginning of what I feel like the spiritual journey has been. Darryl Anka, Wendy Kennedy, Jamye Price. These are people who were channeling and doing light language before any of us really knew what it meant for those things to take place, right? So now we are all gifted to not only be in their presence, but all of us who have stepped up since they're, leading the way. Now we get to also share our gifts with you. And so this event is going to be like none other, and this workshop is going to be like none other. So I invite you to come on down to spend an hour with me or so, and really let's get into the places and spaces where sound is bringing healing to the heart, bringing healing to humanity, and really how sound and light language are going to be part of the tools that you can use as you walk forward in this world. It is my biggest gift to spend this time with you. I am so grateful, so excited, and I'm sending you all so much love. Can't wait to see you at the channel panel. Bye for now.